Do you dream of living the life of your dreams, where money is pouring in even while you sleep? Welcome to MonsterVerse, the channel that will transform the week into monsters of finance. Today, we'll explore the top 10 passive income sources that can make you a millionaire. What if I told you that there's a way to make money without actively trading your time for it? That's exactly what passive income is all about. It's an income stream that keeps flowing, even when you're not actively working. Let's dive into the top 10 passive income sources. Digital currency as a passive income source. Digital currency, one of the most exciting trends of our time. With the right knowledge and strategy, investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin can lead to massive wealth. As the market grows, your investments can multiply, bringing in significant returns. Real estate as a passive income source. The age-old investment vehicle. Real estate has always been a contender in the world of passive income. Rental properties can provide regular cash flow, while property value appreciation over time can create substantial wealth. As they say, don't wait to buy real estate, buy real estate and wait. Affiliate marketing for passive income. Affiliate marketing, the art of promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. By building a strong online presence and becoming an authority in your niche, you can generate passive income by recommending products or services you believe in. Dividend stocks for passive income. Dividend stocks, a popular choice for investors seeking regular income. By investing in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, you can receive quarterly dividends, creating a steady cash flow. Remember, in the long run, it's not the stock price that matters, but the dividends. Online courses and ebooks for passive income. Are you an expert in a particular field? Online courses and ebooks can be a lucrative way to share your knowledge while making passive income. Once you create the content, it can be sold repeatedly, with your bank account growing as more people benefit from your expertise. Apps and software for passive income. Creating apps or software that cater to a specific need can be a fantastic source of passive income. Imagine developing a game, productivity tool, or organizational app that gains popularity. With each download or subscription, you'll be closer to financial independence. Rental properties for passive income. Not only can rental properties provide a steady cash flow, but vacation rental platforms like Airbnb have opened up new opportunities. By hosting guests in your spare room or even renting out an investment property, you can generate passive income while offering others a unique experience. Royalties from creative works. Do you have a flair for creativity? Earning royalties from creative works, such as music, photography, or writing, can be a fulfilling way to make passive income. Once your work is out in the world, each sale or licensing agreement brings in additional income. The power of diversification. Now that we've covered the top 10 passive income sources, remember the power of diversification. By incorporating multiple streams of passive income, you can multiply your earnings and build a fortress of financial security. In this channel, MonsterVerse, we believe in empowering individuals to tap into their potential and achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's all about taking action and embracing the possibilities. Join us on this transformative journey, from weak to monster, as we explore the world of passive income. Stay motivated, stay focused, and let's conquer our financial dreams together. Thank you for watching this video on the top 10 passive income sources. If you found it valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to MonsterVerse for more motivational content, and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. Remember, It's your time to rise and become a financial monster. See you in the next video.